Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add another WhatsApp account on Android. So open up the WhatsApp app, and if you wanted another account or another phone number, you can add it in Android. We need to get to your settings to be able to do this. So at the top right there, you can see those three dots. Just tap on those three dots, and you'll be able to see linked devices. This is if you wanted to connect it to a different device, this same account. But if you want two accounts on one phone, let's tap on settings here. And you'll be able to see at the top is my name with that little green plus. So let's tap on the green plus. And here's my existing account. Let's just tap on add an account. And now hit agree and continue. You'll need to enter in the country, in this case, United States, and then also the phone number. Just fill in that phone number, hit the next button. You'll get a code texted to you, and then you'll easily be able to switch back and forth between multiple WhatsApp accounts. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.